It's a 2014 Hyundai Tucson. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for all who ride inside. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated bucket seats, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, aluminum wheels, 3 12-volt power outlets, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive notes that everything is easy to reach and operate. The materials are nice, the seats are supportive and comfortable. There's plenty of room in both the front and rear seats, with comfortable seating for 4, capability for 5. Challenging convention to find a better way. It's the Hyundai way. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Huber Chevrolet Cadillac. We're located on West Dodge Road in Omaha, Nebraska, on the northeast corner of 114th and East Dodge under the expressway.